I'm about to show you the ins and the outs of working with clientele. I'm designing an album cover for my friend Zieed. It's gonna be cool. So I'm starting this vlog series, and basically what I'm trying to do is document all the shit I go through, because I put myself through a lot of shit. I feel like you're missing out on the process because you just see these pieces of art when they're finished and I post them up, if you even see them at all. It's all about the process, man. That's what makes this shit fucking cool. And if you don't believe me, you're about to find out. It's gonna be cool though. The journey of an artist. So today I got a project. I'm designing an album cover for my friend Zieed. I actually interviewed him a while back for Puff Podcast. If you wanna find out more about Zieed and what he's up to, check out the episode. He has his own podcast, UFZ, Unfiltered Vitamin Z. And he hit me up to work on this album cover, sliding into the DMs on the inbox. That's what we're about to do today. I'm about to show you the ins and the outs of working with clientele. It's always when I'm working with someone else, it never comes out right at first. When I'm working with myself, it doesn't come right out first either. It never fucking comes out right. It's shit. It's always shit. All I do is make shit work, but you just keep working at it and it turns into something kind of cool.
Oh yeah. Nothing like a fresh cup of coffee to get things flowing. So today I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes of some of the freelance work I do, even though fuck the word freelance, it's a stupid word. I just haven't spent any time thinking of a word to replace it. I just don't like it because it has free in the title. I'm not doing this work for free, so it just doesn't really work. He's got a vision for this, you know. Sometimes clients come without any idea of what they want, and that's dope. Other times they have an idea, and that's dope too, because it's like, oh yeah, let's work together, and with our combined strength we're gonna make something dope. So here's a logo I designed for him back a couple months ago. So I want this UFC logo placed in black background, expanded from the mountainside. So basically he wants his face etched into the mountain and under oil dripping dictator shit volume 1. So here's the selfie he sent me. Please and thank you, I appreciate it. Yo, let's get to it. Just gonna airdrop these 2 files to myself, then we'll get this ball rolling. We got the rough draft looking all right, decent. You know, the rough draft is the rough draft. I'm gonna take a screenshot, send that off to Zieed, see what he thinks. So Zieed just hit us back up. He says, I like the glow from the UFZ logo you made for me. Is there no way to fit the etch in that one? I like the face, but maybe needs to be faded into it like a gray sketch. Cool. So I think I know what we're gonna do. Let's get it. All right, let's send that over and see what he thinks.
Couple back and forth. I think we finally got it. We got the design ready to go. It's time to send it out to the world, yo. You hear that? Oh shit. You hear that? That's the track. Oh shit, I hear it. That's the track. It's out there. It's out in the world. Can you hear it?
Since I was a kid, all my life wanted to get on some dictator shit. Same people do the same thing, some behind the scenes, others pretend they legit. I'ma slow myself down, what's in store for me?
Hope you guys enjoyed this little behind the scenes. Let me know what you think, what you thought, what you're still thinking, do you even think, because sometimes I don't. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what's up, down, and all around, and I'll catch you next time. We out.
Take a bullet for you. Charles Boyle, rows and loads of precious cargo taking toll.